What nonsense. Pause for a minute. You think Microsoft or any of those cutting edge companies operate on the basis of that? Where you think they would be? Just think about it. Where you think they would be? So you have here a Public Service Act that is ill-suited, if you were to do a granular analysis of it, for equipping persons with the right legal environment in which to achieve excellence, innovation, and leadership. Some of the shackles need to be removed. Plain and simple. I had a priority list of 9 people on it. That can't be a priority list. That's rubbish, nonsense, and ignorance and folly. Only 3 can be on the priority list. The 3 best, not the 9 who came to the interview. But that's now not only part of the receiver wisdom, but it's in the Civil Service Act. So when we speak about repositioning for excellence in leadership, remember that this act is a compromise between top civil servants who were scared out their wits, the unions who said, but you have to make sure that we keep our membership, so therefore make sure that people are promoted on the basis of being there for a long time.